difference between a pine tree and a scrub? A scrub is an area covered with small, low plants, whereas pine tree is very tall. What do people like to see along the highway? People like to see green grass along the highway. What is the message given at the end? At the end, the poet gives the message that size doesn't matter. What should be remembered is that you should be the best whatever you may be. Well said. Now let's do some activities. Can you see these words on the screen? Yes, ma'am. Here are two circles. One is small and one is big. You have to write big-sized things in big circle and small-sized things in small circle. Ma'am, the bigger things are pine, tree, musky, lake, highway, sun. And the smaller things are pass, bush, scrub, rill, star and trail. Well done. Now let's find rhyming words from the poem. Hill rill, bee tree, grass bass, make lake, here near, trail fail, star R. Very good. Now coming to our next activity. I will show you some incomplete sentences and you have to complete them with appropriate words, phrases from the poem. For example, if you can't be a pine, be a scrub. If you can't be a tree, be a bush. If you are a muskie, then just be a bass. If you can't be a captain, be a crew. If you can't be the highway, be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. Very good. Now let's see whether the following statements are true or false. All must be the captain of the teams. False. A bit of a grass can make the highway happier. True. We win or fail depending upon size or position. False. A scrub is found at the top of the hill. False. If your work is not important, don't do it. False. Whatever jobs you have, do your best. True. Very good. Now let's write an appropriate word and sentence of the poem. The title of the poem is Be the Best. It is very simple and easy to understand. The poem is written by well-known poet Douglas Malloch. The lines that rhyme in each stanza are first and third lines and second and fourth lines. The poet compares big things with small things. The line I shall always remember is be the best of whatever you are. Well done, children.
धन्यवाद मित्रांनो. जिजामाता स्कूल भोसरी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबायला विसरू नका. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.